Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a marriage certificate online. So this is helpful if you recently got married, need an extra copy, or you need to replace the one that was lost. So a marriage certificate is the official document that proves that you and your partner are legally married. So it is completed after the wedding and filed with the local county office, and it usually arrives a few weeks after the ceremony. So before you request it, it helps to know the difference between a marriage license and a marriage certificate. So the license is what allows you to get married before the wedding, while the certificate is the document that proves the marriage happened after everything is signed and filed. So to order a copy online, you'll also need the full names of both spouses, the date and place of the marriage, your relationship to the couple, and a valid phone number for verification. So, since marriage certificates are not public records, only certain people can request one, such as the spouses, close family members, or someone with legal authority. So, the process is usually simple. Go to the website, fill out the secure application form, upload your proof of identity, and submit your request. If your marriage happened in another state, you can still request a copy online. So that way you don't need to contact the person who performed the ceremony or visit the local office yourself. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.